Welcome back to another video by Mr. Projects. In this video, I'm going to start off by taking this tow ball off. It's never going to be used. I'm going to pull this fuel tank out. There's a lot of crap underneath, so it's going to be fun. It's been a bit of a mission. I had to take the rear bumper off to drop the tow ball, and I can't get to the fuel tank till I take that off, so it's been a bit more work than expected, but we're going to get to the fuel tank. It's going to take a little bit. Judging by the colour of that, I would say the fuel tank is pretty rusted. I hope I can save it. Holy shit. I don't think this is very good. Just about to take this rear window out. All you do, pull these rubbers down like that. Push your foot, push it off, push the window out, push your side out. So I haven't really said much of what's going on. I've pulled the tank out, as you've seen, and along the way I found this small pinhole and that hole there. The actual metal's pretty soft, so we're gonna patch this up. Don't know whether or not I'm gonna put epoxy on it or we're gonna weld it up. Clean most of the inside of the tank. I'll have to put a light on so you can see it. As you can see, we've treated most of it. We've got rid of most of the chunky stuff. I will be buying a treatment for this tank, and then it also comes with a sealer kit so you can reseal the inside. I will show that in a video. I don't know what video it's going to be in, but I just wanted to clean all the chunky rust out. This is nowhere near done yet. I have to wait until my fuel tank kit arrives before I continue on with that. Moving on to the window, we've pulled the rear window out. We found some surface rust, so I'm just going to wire wheel the whole lot up. Judging by the lip, none of it actually looks like it's gone all the way through, so it's actually in pretty good condition. So we'll probably wire wheel this all up, sand it all up, do a couple of little repairs, maybe put a little bit of bog in here and there. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. So probably skip to a time lapse now so you can see what's about to happen. One other thing before we go to the time lapse is this is the fuel sender unit, and as you can see, it has seen better days. So I've been doing a bit of research. It's really hard to find a sender unit, so I'm going to be using some of this. It is Rust Dissolve. We're going to be putting some of that onto this throwing that in the bin, cleaning the whole lot up, and hopefully we can bring it up like new. That there is a few holes. There's one there, bit of rust all through here. I don't know if you can really see that, but there's a hole, a few holes along here. It looks like at some stage someone has bogged full of that. Got most of it all welded up. Just gone through, welded all the crap, and as you can see it just got bigger and bigger and bigger every time I hit it with a bit of heat, but got most of it done. If you look down it, it's actually pretty straight. Only need a little tiny bit of bog on this, which is awesome, and obviously down there I still got to sand those. That's the last of the holes, and been working on this for a few hours. Finally got it done. On to the next job. Just put a skim of bog on it, and it's looking pretty good at the moment. Light skim of bog. Obviously it's not finished yet, gonna have to do a couple of skims of bog and sand it up, but all of the rust has been repaired. I think that's about all I got time for in this video, so thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. In the next video I'll continue on fixing that, and I will get the fuel liner for the fuel tank, and we'll fix that sander unit and hopefully bring it back to life. Thanks for watching, guys.